Welcome to CYBRScore Labs, powered by Learn on Demand systems. Let's jump in and take a look at a lab now. CYBRScore Labs consist of two primary panels: the display panel, where your active VM is displayed and interacted with, and the control panel, where you can perform various functions such as progress the instructions, change VMs, or submit a support ticket. More on that in a minute. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll find some useful controls for interacting with your VM, such as sending Ctrl-Alt-Delete, typing a password, or rebooting a VM. Using the VM is simple. Just click in the display panel and interact with the OS the way that you normally would. Most labs include step-by-step instructions on how to use the VMs and continue through the lab. You can click Next at the bottom right to continue. When you reach the final step of instructions, make sure you click the Submit button to ensure proper scoring for your lab. In labs that contain multiple VMs, use the Resources tab to switch between them. Selecting a VM will show its login information and set that VM as active in your display panel. If you need assistance with your lab, head over to the Help tab and submit a support ticket. Don't forget to grab your lab instance ID and lab hosts first, as you'll need them for the next step. When submitting a ticket, there are a few things we need in order to best assist you. To get things resolved as quickly as possible, please ensure accurate completion of the form and include any details and screenshots you think will help. Well, that wraps things up with our lab orientation. Once again, welcome to CYBRScore Labs, and thank you for sharing your learning experience with us.